What's up, guys? This is a Bedwars challenge video. We're only going to be bridging with lucky blocks, which, and we can also, one exception is my brother can, if he gets a block from lucky blocks, he could use that as well. I just got a beacon. Random team upgrade. Sharpness!
Hey.
That's the one good one I ever gotten. What?
Ah.
I copied someone's inventory, so I got free TNT. Alright.
Wait, status.
And we're allowed to place blocks, but we're not allowed to bridge with them. We're not allowed to bridge.
Split gens.
Okay, just going now.
I got it. I'm pretty sure.
How many blocks are you at?
0.
We can use wool, but we can't use it for actual bridging, unless we get from the blocks.
Because it's the challenge of bridging. Give me a stack of rainbow wool.
Honestly, I'm better off just. I got a chicken hat. Honestly, the chicken hat's amazing.
It's the greatest item ever added. We got slime boots.
Wait, is TNT jump allowed? I'm saying it is because we're not bridging with the TNT.
Oh no.
What?
Explosion.
Imagine it explodes your bed.
I'm gonna try to jump with it.
Yo, how many lucky blocks do you have?
It fell off me. 0.
I still did not get anything to actually build with.
I don't care, I'm putting it on the hot head.
Alright.
Actually, take the hot head if you feel like it.
Whoops. I did get promising. Bruh! Cute. Oh my god, there's something here. What?
The blocks? They don't even. Are you kidding?
Honestly, we can't really move without them, so do you want to just start actually bridging with them?
I guess.
I need help. Yeah, oh wow, I have to use I got out.
I got bridge.
Oh, someone's here. I'm gonna go for their bed, so. Can you PvP your way?
Yes.
And his bed's gone. At least he built such a nice bridge for us. I'm actually taking off the chicken hat. Okay. He disconnected.
Resource trader.
In the blocks. Bro, did you get any blocks yet?
I got a bridge egg.
This video is not turning out that well. So I'll say we can bridge with wood until we get something. Because who likes a boring video, you know?
Wait, but I have a bridge egg.
Bridge egg's allowed. Bridge to mid with that. Please block. Give me. I got blocks. I got blocks. I got blocks.
Rainbow wool.
I got a bed pointer. What's the point of that?
I think the bed's supposed to be.
I got a piece of redstone called vampire blood.
Oh, if you activate it, it's practically siphon whenever you deal damage.
No, I'm not. I just use it regularly.
It runs out after like 5 seconds.
Okay, I do have 64 wool that I can use. Alright. This wool's laggy though. I'm actually gonna try to go past him. Alright, green bed is gonna be mine. Oh, wow.
Only aqua beds left.
I'm going for aqua right now if he's at green. Wait, is he solo? No, he's not solo.
I got 2 traps.
And Aqua's looking at me. And I don't speed bridge with these blocks necessarily. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm getting chased by Aqua. We're gonna try to get an invis. I do not
Where
have
is Aqua bed?
anything. Aqua bed's Aqua's bed. I'm going to pink space just to get an invis. Oh no, 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 no. Did you get him? Wait, that's not you! I thought Mr. Weird Man was you. Where are you at?
Did you die?
Of course I died. Where are you? I teleported to you like 6 times. I'm in the box with you. Where are you going? Oh, Aqua. Go for his bed. On my screen, you have no armor. Alright. Well,
We made my
attempt number 1 was not a success. We aren't going to be playing till we get success when this map is horrible. Not only nothing, it's so far to bridge out.
We can just use a few lucky blocks to make the center. Oh, I got the lucky blocks.
Okay. Place them, try to get wool. You can't place them here. Can I at least have one? You're just taking all of them.
Here's 2 normals.
Okay. Come on, lucky block gods.
I got an instant barrier. Look what this does.
Okay, so of obsidian?
Yes. Wait, does that count?
I got a couple
Wait,
of
why did it
traps.
go away?
It goes away.
Oh.
I did get something useful. Water balloons. You could throw it on a base and you could just go off of that.
I copied someone's inventory.
What did you get?
And someone copied my inventory. I got water balloons.
Any blocks though?
No.
We're not going to be doing TNT jumps or anything. No, we aren't going to be doing TNT jumps. It's just that we're not going to be building
Should we
anything.
cover the bed with wool?
I wish we were allowed to buy blocks, and no, we're not allowed to cover our bed unless we get it from. I don't think it's that far. Do you have any blocks?
No.
Oh, can I have that? You just came in and took my stuff.
Wasted some water balloons.
That was loud. I only have one left now. Blocks, 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 blocks. I'm not gonna waste them to go to someone's base. That's real.
Is that it?
No, I'm TNT jumping. Take them away. Ah, it was not enough. It was not enough.
It was good that you gave them to me.
Of course I will. Or build the full way to mid so we can get the emeralds. Hopefully I can get more. I got 2 traps in the same area. We're allowed to use wool, we're just not allowed to bridge with it. Like, only lucky block drops. What'd you get from there?
Oh. You want the fortunate lucky block?
Sure.
You get resistant boots. That's what I got from it.
That's useful.
Instant weapon upgrade. I'd rather save that for...
Can I have the rest of your blocks that you have?
I got 18 left. I dropped them.
That's not gonna be enough to get that.
I'm just gonna buy iron sword and get
Wait, if you break it, what do you get? I fell off with them because of blood.
Okay, I got a diamond sword.
That's fine. We're not allowed to really use it.
Wait, should I just throw a bridge egg up and use that, Max?
We're allowed to do that. Don't throw it up though. Sorry, you're supposed to get it. Throw it sideways. Like, higher up. Or, no, wait. Drop it to me. Drop it to me. I want it. Yes.
Okay, I'm disguised as Team Grey now.
Why is there a great team on that?
I don't think that's the best thing.
You can start at the top.
Wait, I have 4 diamonds.
Is this fair? I'd say it is fair. Go to the top and start breaking blocks. I just need a couple.
I'm just getting something first.
Don't take the gen. I want the blocks in there. Why am I on fire?
I put down flint and steel. I don't know.
Uh,
What? No, I've been hit by the roulette
No.
wheels.
I got another bridge egg.
That's nice.
I got 2 in a row. And I got a scythe.
That's good. I'm getting all the wool. If
I
some
need
people
one
say
wool.
this. Wait, can we use the instant barrier?
Yeah, we can use this area. Anything that comes from lucky blocks is allowed.
Okay, I'm breaking it down. Let's see how much.
This blue wool that I have in my inventory I got from the bridge egg over there. I'm gonna just steal those.
It's fine.
Could we break the ones that we already pre-used? Because
Okay.
we wasted a couple. Like, we could do parkour jumps.
I'm just. I think it's worth it.
I'm not gonna use something that I don't know. Red's still in this. Like, Aqua's the only one other than Red. I don't want to speed. I don't want to speed bridge with bridge eggs on me. Bro, get their bed. Get their bed. Get bed. Go, 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 go. They're not there. They're coming back. They're coming back. Bro, bro, bro. Their skeletons knocked me off as I was breaking it.
Okay,
Just
drop-
get it. Come. Get it. Got it. That's a GG. Right now. Crap. Oh, it's only 1 hit. That's not nice. You got a fang?
You get the angel death sword.
I
I just had yellow tried to bridge to us but fell in the void.
Nobody has a really good head.
Should I throw the speed boots off this?
Someone out.
Just throw the speed boots somewhere.
Someone coming to our bed. Bye.
Wait.
He had that emerald.
It's only 1 red person till we win.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a jump pot. That's.
Ice bridge.
And I have so many lucky blocks on me that I'm just gonna bridge with the lucky blocks itself.
I put in water somewhere. I'm just getting it because I was there.
Oh, I'm pretty sure red is not that close. Okay. Should I get a tracker? No, I found him. He's at white. He's disguised as white. How much do I have? Boost. He has diamond armor.
Okay, so.
Epic, sick PvP clutch.
So he's at white?
Oh, he has sharp iron. I can't win that. He has prot 3. I got him 6. He had such better loot than me, but he's honestly pretty bad at the game. I got such a nice combo. And Wiser, Bite, if you watch our videos, I'm sorry. You're pretty bad. That's the smartest one. I ran out of blocks to use.
I got a random upgrade.
Maniac Miner's gonna use this one. Miracle. Got me a knockback stick. Magic toy stick.
Magic toy stick.
Honestly. Oh, we didn't need it. Well, that's just bridging with lucky blocks only. Hope you enjoyed. 14-minute video.
Wait, I got Miss
Like,
Lindy.
subscribe. See you guys next time.